Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing again my crafty bonbons for the month of March, and this month's theme is along the lines of spring, really. So you'll see a lot of florals, and I've had a sneak peek and it's absolutely gorgeous. You probably So as you know, the tissue paper sometimes gives away what the color theme would be. So it's kind of like pastel-y purple. So I can't wait. I've seen the sneak peeks of this and it's absolutely gorgeous. So, right, here we go. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my days. Right. Where do we start? As you can see, it's very pastel, very floral. So the first thing that I can see at the top is a pack of die cuts. Oh my days. Oh god, this is really pretty. Whoops. I'll put that there. Oh, look at that. They're absolutely gorgeous. Like floral moons. Oh, that was cute. That's really beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Ali and Debbie has pulled out an amazing box again. So as you know, Crafty Bonbons is a collaboration between two Etsy shops, Bonbons Kawaii and Crafty Ali Cat. So they come up with our Crafty Bonbons. That is so beautiful. And then you get a packet of more die cuts, but this time it's like floral shapes. I'm so sorry, I have to clear my throat every now and again. I still have this stinker of a cough after my flu. That is beautiful. You've probably seen me use this die cuts in my journal pages, and they're really beautiful. I like this one in particular. This, I think it's called Hollyhock. Hollyhock? I think that is the name. I'm so sorry. That one's really... Oh my goodness. Lovely. That's beautiful. I'm going to put that there. And as you can see, there's a die cut. Not die cut. What am I saying? As you can see, there is a self-adhesive vinyl. And again, it's personalized. So I've got letter S, which is the first letter of my name. And it says Hello Spring. And you have the instructions for them as well. Oh God, there's another one. Flower there. And then you get, oh, this is like a tiny, like a envelope. I think it's like a, what you call this, coin envelope or something. That is really good. And then I am guessing this is adhesive strips of kind of like a paper washi. Yes, that is great. Oh my goodness, that is pretty. So you can use this to make your card or put it on your journal spreads. Oh, it's like a washi. And then I have another packet of die cut. And this time it has, oh, again, floral theme, but you've got like, oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. No, that is part of that. That's a book. Oh, so pretty. Sorry about that. I had to pause the video because my dog was barking at someone in the window, by the window. Right, so here we are. That is so beautiful. Good for journal spreads. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And then you get a packet of bits and bobs. I think Ali calls this bits and bobs. I'm now starting to call it bits and bobs because you get an eclectic mix of stuff in here. So you get, oh, what's that? Some little, oh, this one's really pretty. It's like an embossed card. That is beautiful. I'm not gonna take everything out because there's little bits and pieces that I just don't want to really pick up. Oh my days, this is really gorgeous. Oh my goodness. These days are the best. You can use this for your journaling. And then in here you have like a little wire heart thing. So Ali made a card out of this, but I have an idea. Well, somebody did this in the group and she made like a little flower vase out of that little. We had a little jar that was sent in one of our boxes. So I'm gonna make a bouquet out of that. So I'm gonna put it onto one side. I'll take it out now as because I remember it. And then you have like a small packet of beads in here, like flat back stones or beads, gems. And then you have these little circular things that are kind of like concaved. Paper ones. I never know what to do with these things, but please do tell me what you do with these things. And as I said, that's just flat back pieces. These will go back inside. And then you get a washi tape. These will vary from one box to another, I believe. So I have this, like, says watercolor. So yeah. Oh, that is pretty. That is beautiful. And then you get this highlighter from Faber-Castell. This is Brilliant Ruby. Let's see. Oh, it's a nice color. Then you get a packet of buttons. That pink one is very pretty. And a packet of, I am guessing this is a circular sticky notes. Yeah, that is pretty. It's like one of those transparent washi looking things. That's that. And this one, it says self-adhesive, so I'm guessing these are like, well, they're stickers basically. But again, they're really, oh my goodness, that is a pretty bow. Oh my days. I can see myself using this on a like a collage piece. These are so pretty. And then here is the information about the box, and that's the Facebook. It says the Facebook group and the collaboration between the two shops. And then you get some journaling cards. See the little things. I love it. That, oh, I like this. So pretty. And then I've asked for an A5 notebook, and this is a blank one. You can see the paper quality in these notebooks are really great. Oh, that is so beautiful. And then you get some sticker. Oh my goodness! They will be good for my mini traveler's notebook. I'm doing a 100-day project, and they'd be good for that. Oh my goodness. So they are in one strip, but you can cut around it. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They're little dolls. And then you get, you get adhesive labels for your letters, or you can use this as a journal spot in your journal. You get a butterfly sticker sheet. And then more stickers. Goodness, she's so cute. Cute, 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 cute. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. I think she'll fit in my little TN. Not sure, we shall see. And you get a napkin that you can use to kind of like do a collage in your art journal. It's beautiful. And then you get writing sheets. I think you get 8, always 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. And that ties in with these little sticky labels that I've here. So if you're writing letters, you can put that on the end, so that you can put the your friend's name and address there in the envelope. It makes it really pretty. And then we've come to the papers. Whoops. Let's see. So this one is pretty. So that's the side. Oh my goodness, that's another pretty one, and that's that side, and it's quite thick card. This one's quite between a card and a paper. Yeah, this is a card, but this one's thicker. And then this one is about paper, but it's a good quality paper. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. This one's a card. That's the other side. Oh, how pretty is that? Again, this is a cardstock, and that's and it's really, really nice. I mean, that is so pretty. So pretty. And then you get this one, which is like a paper card or cardstock version of this little sticker. Oh dear. And this one that's got vintagey vibes to it. And then this is a paper. That's a bit of a card. This one's a paper. Dear, that is so beautiful. And this one. That is so beautiful. Well, that's it, guys. That's my March CraftyBonbons box. I hope you've liked what I've shared, and I believe there are still a few remaining boxes that you can purchase. I will leave the information and the link in the description box below, so where you can get this card. Just a disclaimer, I haven't been sponsored by this. I bought this out of my own money, but you know me, I love my CraftyBonbons box. They come up with such amazing stuff to use in my journal. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.